Yo, what's going on, traders? Got a green day today. Made about $4, as you can see in the thumbnail, and I got a little green streak going on. So I only traded one stock, IMPP. Stay tuned. All right, traders. Green day, green day. Let's get into it. So wait about 20 minutes after the open. Didn't see anything I like, and this trade I'm about to take is right after a halt resume. So it pushed up after the halt resume. Didn't get my strategy. I got to see a red candle pull back after a halt resume, which is doing it now. But that first initial push up, no trades, man. It's just no trades because it didn't get my strategy. It just went straight up. So here I'm looking for a trade. Now I'm gonna get in here early. Now ideally I should have got in here maybe a crack below 5, but the level 2 is just struggling to get down there. I think I'm gonna FOMO a little bit, or I get tired of waiting. No, actually, no. I get in. So right there, I tried to get in there at 498, 496, but my hotkeys weren't in there. But they weren't right. So here you go. I'm loading my hotkeys now, and I'm kind of glad I didn't do that because I would have been down a couple cents. But it does actually bounce. So here I jumped in there at 584. I would have took an ad spot there. I would have took an ad spot, but good thing I didn't, and good thing I only jumped in there with 5 shares. Uh, So I jumped in with 5 shares, and then now I'm gonna get a halt resume. So I held this into the halt, and what I'm doing is expecting a little bounce, and I'm gonna get that bounce. And after the halt is over with, I'm gonna actually take an ad spot. I'm gonna add to my position. So here we got the halt finna resume here. Came down into a support level, started to bounce, so I jumped in there. Now I have a 467 average. I jumped in 5 more shares, 467 average, not bad. But I'm gonna just sell it for a very very small loss because I just wanted to not be as down as I was. I was unrealized like $23, but I knew that was wrong though. So I'm gonna get a little pop. I'm gonna get a little pop. I wish I was in that 457, but now I'm in that 467. I think I'm gonna just take it off right here for like a 1 cent loss. Yeah, I took it off right there. I lost like 1 cent, and it actually rips up. It goes to like 80s. It actually rips. I bottom ticked that. See that? I actually almost bottom ticked that. Look at that rip up I missed. But that wasn't my mindset right there. My mindset was just trying to minimize my loss. So that's why I sold out early like that. So here I jumped in here at 508. Got the little got a little. I think it was a halt resume as well, but I don't think it was. But anyway, pushed up here, rejection, crazy wick, came down here, held a little support at the $5 level. So I'm jumping in at 508. I believe $5 hold here too. Or if it does, it goes down like a split second. It's going down now, but I didn't add to my position because it didn't flush. And I was playing the VWAP level. I was going to take an ass spot that VWAP level, but I still held it. Nice little wick at the bottom there. Nice wick rejection. I like that. Just checking my buying power. And I think I'm gonna get a little pop, like maybe like a 10 cent pop on this, I think. Yeah, tape, slow it up. This is okay. It's not that bad. I just like how that candle formed that wick at the bottom, which was made me confident in this play, and I held on to it. Look at that. I got out. That was a nice feel. Like I was trying to get out at like 520, but that jump filled me at 531. So I'm up $2.07 on the day. IMPP. It was a nice start to trade today. It was very whipsawy, but if you got on the right side of the trades, then you made bank today. So here it's going to do a little false halt here. Uh, excuse me, did a false halt. So now I'm just looking for a pullback, and I'm looking for I'm looking for a deep enough pullback to where the level 2 acts, it will stop. It'll thin out. See, like if you look at the level 2, why this candle was forming is very very whipsaw. It's 10 cent spreads, 8 cent spread, 5 cent spread. So while I was doing that, I didn't really want to take trades while I was doing that. So I was just kind of just waiting for it to calm down a little bit. I was waiting for level 2 to calm down, start showing some stableness, some consistency with the price, and not jumping around 3, 4, 5 cents like that. That low volume bull crap. So it's starting to bounce now, but it's having a hard time getting above 630. So I didn't take a trade there, which would have been a nice trade because it's going to actually rip. Because I'm gonna get in high, but it's going to be a trigger for me to get in. It's an indicator that I like to see. You're gonna see the ad. It's gonna jump. It's gonna be at 630. It's gonna jump to like 636. So that's bullish to me. Here you go. See, I just did that. It just jumped 6 cents. It just jumped to 636. So that was the indicator. I jumped in there. I'm getting a nice little rip. I took it off very quick. I probably could have waited for the 60s, but I took that off very quick. 20-cent pop. Yep. And look, see, I could have held into the halt. And that is my last trade. Didn't take any more trades, man. Thank you guys for watching Green Day. It's Money Games.